I'll show how to create a casting process. So here you can see the plus icon. If you click on this plus icon, it will go to this create role page, and here you can create a casting role. So suppose if this is for Dabang movie, Dabang 4 type. So you can see many types are there: advertisement, cover song, dance cover, event. Okay, so here is the option movie. Okay, if you can see different other options: TV serial, TV show, theater arts, voiceover, web series, stand-up comedy, short film. Okay, all these options are there. You can hire anyone for all these options. Movie, role, actor. When role is actor, it shows a field name called role name. Okay, it's hero. Gender, male. And next, compensation, paid or free? Paid. What is the amount? Say 100 crore. Okay, I'm not counting the zeros. 20 to 40. How many? One role. Last date to apply. So you can keep 3 months from the day. And next, this is the option for copying the address from user profile. If you click on this option, automatically it copies the address of this logged in user profile. Next, here you can enter the details. Looking for a hero role for our movie Dabang 4. Hero must be fit and strong, must be a good actor. So you can provide that information for description. Okay, after creating the role, see, this is the one you created recently. If you want to create more, swipe left. See, there are different options: edit, view, clone, close. If you click on the clone, okay, it will copy all the information, and now you can create a role for heroine. Heroine, movie, actor. So gender equal to female, and payment equal to paid, and amount is same. Okay, age also same. Just make whatever the changes you want it, and then change the description as well. Looking for a heroine role for our movie. Heroine must be beautiful. Okay, whatever you wanted, you can write it here. Okay, this is the hero role you created and heroine role you created. Okay, and I'll show you some other roles. Suppose if you want to hire a DOP, okay, just go click on this role. You can see all the roles. All 24 crafts of a film industry are added here, or and also I added some more categories. You can see here: anchor, art director, all are 24 crafts. Some additional roles I have added: DA technician. Not only 24, some newly added categories I added: singer, stand-up comedian, stunt director, stunt man. Means this app is for media and entertainment industry. You can see everybody here: journalist, okay, dubbing artist, director, everybody is here. Suppose if you want to hire DOP, yeah, you can see here. Okay, you can search it. Okay, you can search, and then you can select the role, whatever you wanted. Okay, and you can remove this and then add the new description. Bouncer required. Okay, and you can create another one and show what are the different categories. So here you can see event. What is that event name? You can change here 100 days function. Okay, make changes. I am not changing anything. Okay, and next one is what are all the ways you can use this app. Okay, event. So this event can be anything.